Oh.
Okay. Feel how light that one is.
I can already feel this one is like softer.
So it's softer, so this one's easier to do.
Kind of like line it up as much as possible, and then.
So, okay, I can do that.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, that feels so good.
Okay. I'm gonna run through these. That's it. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You okay? Yeah, it's just getting these out. That's it. That's it. These are the ones here.
I love when you do that.
Oh,
Feels so good.
There you go. It's good enough to adjust. Okay. Here we go. There you go.
Oh, wow.
That was a lot. Very nice. And chin back again. Look up for me. Yeah, there she is.
Oh.
Look up. That ain't all of it.
Right, I'm like, that can't be it, but.
Jeez, your neck moved a lot. Oh, that's it. That was worth the trip right there.
Yes, literally, yes.
There you go. Just gonna pull, keep your head up. Nice. Wow, that felt a little hot there. Ooh. Just flexible. You're really relaxed. Yeah. Oh, hip. Perfect.
Oh.
The trust is here.
It is. It's so is. It's just melting in your hand.
Okay, we're gonna get you up and we're gonna flip you and then you can just relax, okay?
Okay.
Just check your neck for me, make sure I got it all. Yeah, now you can flip your head back.
Feels great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So take a deep breath in. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah. That's it.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Sorry, I had to go way more than I wanted to.
So tight. Yeah, no, I felt that.
Okay. Okay, you good?
Yes, I'm great.
Okay, I'm gonna really flatten this side out. Tilt you back just a tiny bit. Take a deep breath in. Okay, that's all she's gonna go. I'm sorry, I'm taking it down there. You all right?
Mm-hmm.
And again.
Oh wow.
Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna go here in the low back. No, that all held from last time.
I right?
Yeah. There it is. Okay. You okay? Okay. There you go. Is that too much?
No.
Okay.
Feels great.
Deep breath in. Here we go. I gotta use my elbow. Yeah, like that.
Feels so good.
No, I'm sorry. Gotta get this done a little bit more.
No, it feels great.
There you go. That's it. Deep breath in. I'm gonna pull up on this side. And again. I'm gonna use my elbow, I think. Push that up. There you go. There we go. Try to see if I can't open that one up for you. Right there.
Oh, wow.
You okay?
This feels so good. Wow. Ooh, I feel that.
You okay?
No, yeah, I'm great.
Again, x-ray
Yeah.
showed me that was there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's not here. See how that's clean?
Yeah.
And it's right up in here where your little scar is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all in here. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the top back. Look at the back, okay? The top of the back. Now I need a little bit more oil.
That's awesome.
Don't worry about it. Have some counter pressure because I gotta get it. There we go. So you can work on that one for your little arm pain that you have there.
Yeah, I feel like that is the place.
So the other place would be, just kind of come in here. I'm going to go in your armpit, all right? Like right there. Does that feel like it's similar? Because that is literally down the arm.
Yeah. No, yeah, there too. Yeah, because it radiates like right there.
Yeah, right there. I know. So I was like, are you sure?
Yes.
Just hold that one down like that. Nothing radiating into your arm, correct? Nothing going. Okay. As long as it's not, we're good. So I have to warn everybody. Trauma, a lot of history of trauma, or whatever they've had, and it's like, ooh.
Do I feel like I have
No,
trauma?
No, I just want to know why this is so, like, we gotta get that, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you're much better now. It's there. Elbow, find your elbow, yeah, go.
Oh.
Perfect. Nice. I'm not gonna go hard. Yep. Lean away, a little jammed here. Ooh. Gotcha. Perfect. Your money makers.
Yeah, literally. I like that.
And then, yeah, there you go. Whoosh, whoosh, elbow back. That's part of it. Go back with your elbow towards the wall.
Oh.
There it is. I'm just making sure you're covered on the front. Yeah, you're good. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Other side. And then look back for me. Perfect. Good. Do you remember this one, the pubic symphysis? Okay.
It probably won't. I pop my hips all the time.
It probably won't. It's fine. Press out against my arms. And good. And squeeze. Oh, actually, yeah. A little bit on the right here.
That felt weird. Oh my god.
I have done this one to you, right?
Yeah, but it didn't go last time, remember?
No.
Oh my god.
I mean...
No, I finally got to feel it.
Okay. It was more on this side
Yeah.
than the left.
Oh my god.
But it did good. You okay?
Yeah, that was good.
Because sometimes when we do it to ourselves, it's only like one spot.
Yeah.
It's hard to get it evenly distributed. But what happens is the pelvis, I want to get one of those models that I can show you.
Yeah.
Because when this goes backwards, these two move.
Oh, that is...
So you understand, the hip is, the
Crazy.
pelvis is not like, oh, it's just this one and then just, no, they all move together, all three of them, okay? So if they're going like this, your hips are more or less rocking like this. So if I get the back in, right, and I don't fully get the front, now I could go with my hand down in here, it's just very invasive, yes.
Yeah.
So I'd rather do it the way that we do it. Ears, it's up to you.
Yes.
Okay, it's like, yeah, okay. And then lean away. No, nothing there. No, that's good. That's a good thing. Oh. A little bit. Like, don't worry.
Oh my
There's
God,
always
that's so weird.
stuff in there. Oh, then lean away. Good. Nothing there.
Oh. Oh, that one cracked.
You're so funny. That one cracked.
I know.
So, like, feel how light that one is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can already feel this one is like softer.
Yeah, so it's softer, so this one's easier to do. Like, for people that are really new to foam rolling, you do this one.
I
It's
love that.
squishy.
Thing. Oh my
She's
God.
like, no, I want that pressure.
Yeah, I love
But
it.
some people find this too hard.
Yeah.
You know, it's just too like, oh, it's too much. So I say, well, you know what? Let's start shorties.
Right.
I mean, even when we go to ship it, it like costs more to ship it. It's that much more.
Okay.
This is like a half a pound, and this is a whole pound.
Yeah.
Something
wow.
like that. So they're quite a bit different. But time is better, as you know, than firmness.
I'll like, cause my problem area is like right there.
That's right.
So I just kind of like line it up as much as possible, and then
Go for it. Okay, yeah, even this is getting your neck down. You see that? Now, you just hang out there like that. I know you
Okay.
like to roll it, but just now bend your knees.
I do.
Bend your knees, now arms up and over. Okay,
See, this one still doesn't go down all the way.
I know, but we gotta start somewhere. She's like, okay. I'll start there. Yeah, start there. Now, if you just have to keep working on it. Now, is your head touching the ground? Kind of.
Yeah. I guess I'm just overthinking. I'm like, oh, if it's not perfectly straight, then like, I don't know.
Here, try the softer one. Here, just you'll see the difference. Go ahead, try that one. Yep. And then slowly lower yourself down. There you go. So it's just a lot softer. Just different. And then roll it up a little higher so your head can touch.
So it really should be like between my shoulders.
Yeah, and it's a little high. You need some help. So you need almost like a pillow. You see how your head isn't like touching?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to use a pillow with this. So you can lay here for a while.
For like 20 minutes.
I mean, that would be ideal, but you start like 5, 5, 5, 5. You know, you can do it up the back.
Okay.
You can roll it, like start down here where that little scar was that I was working on down there.
Yeah. Well, let me know.
Right there.
So that's like.
A little lower. You can go a little lower. Right there. I wouldn't go any lower than that.
Okay.
Now feel it. Feel it behind your back.
Feels good.
Feel your hands. That's where I've got it. Okay. Now see how you touch. Can you touch like that? A little better, right? Okay. So you do like 5 minutes here. You could do 10. And then you slowly, another 5 up higher, another 5 up higher, and then another 5 up higher.
And so don't put my legs down.
I mean, you can, but crisscross your legs even.
Okay, like.
Yeah, and just kind of like, yeah, you know what I mean? I tell people like open up their hips,
Oh, sometimes, yeah, I will like.
Just kind of like.
The butterfly.
Yeah, just so that it's like, feels more comfortable. You can't, what it does is that like, go ahead and reach down and push away from grab your thighs and push away from you. Do you feel that stretch into your low back? So that's good for your low back.
So, okay, I can do that.
Mm-hmm. Roll to your side. Whoosh. Now flat on your back. Whoosh. Okay, so the curve is on the right-hand side. So you take this, you're going to be on your right, facing that way. Take this, put it underneath your armpit. Now that we have an x-ray, we can actually see it.
Yes. Okay, so like directly under it.
And roll on top. Yep. Now you can only do this one for like about 2 minutes. So you got to open up that left. So yeah. There are more advanced moves than this. This is what we start you out first. Eventually, there's other things that we can do. But you gotta take it. You're not quite there yet for the other one. I would take it. There's dental rolls for the lower back. If you want to go back to that chiropractor, they have. I mean, I stick it on that side and I just squish the heck out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm. I do this all the
super
time.
nice.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Once you get good at it, you're just like, you're really like.
Yeah, you're
getting in there. But
how?
just roll. There ain't no. Just poof.